Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your wise account. Exactly is a wise account. A wise account, just like PayPal, is an account that can help you receive your earnings internationally, especially if you live in a country where PayPal isn't accepted or where PayPal isn't legalized. You can make use of wise and it can substitute for that. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and show you how you can do it with your smartphone. All right, and I discovered something about this wise account creation. You can only do it on the app. You may not be able to navigate it through their website. So I came directly, downloaded the app. So if you're using an iOS device, you can quickly go to your store and then download it. If you're using an Android device, you go to your Play Store and then you can download it with depending on the kind of device that you use. So let us go ahead and create this account real quick. So we have sign in with Google or we have register, whichever way. I usually love to sign in with Google because it makes my registration seamless and very easy. So I'm going to be doing just that right now. You can sign up with an email and it will still be the same thing. Okay, so we have here personal account, business account. You want to be opening a personal account, not a business account, but if you want to use it for business transactions, then you can go through that yourself and see how that comes out. But on this video I want to show us how we can open a personal account. So let us do this. Okay, so the country where you live in, we have Nigeria, and then there are a lot of other countries there. So you choose the country where you are resided. I live in Nigeria, so I'm going to go ahead and use Nigeria, and then you click on next. Then you verify with your phone number code, and if the number you sent wasn't correct, you may not get that code. Okay, so the code is here, and then it entered automatically. That was really seamless. So go ahead and input your password. Please input the password that you may not forget or that you are not going to forget. Okay, and it has to be at least 9 characters containing a letter and a number. Okay, so let's go. Great, so we are here and then let's move. Okay, so we are here. This is where it brought us. We would like to use ad tracking. We need your permission to see if you browse other apps and websites where we run ads. This helps us to know. So this is just them trying to seek your permission for popping up ads and all of that. So you just click continue. Allow Wise to track. You can accept or you can allow, but I'll just say accept. It's nothing serious. So stay secure with your biometrics. This is very simple. Setting up your biometrics is simply touching your sensor. That's your fingerprint. Okay, and that is that. And our account is ready. So you see, it's very simple, very easy to open. It doesn't take too much time. In fact, it doesn't take time at all. You saw what we did in less than 5 minutes. Our personal wise account is ready for you, so you can use this to do your online transaction. Then the moment your earnings get into your wise, all you need to do is to transfer it to your local account. So it's very simple to create and very easy. So this is what your dashboard looks like. You head over here so that you can put your info. Do that, the settings. Everything is so seamless. It's so easy. You don't have to stress too much to be able to navigate the app. It is user friendly and the rest of that. Okay, so payment, this is right here. When you click on payment, it will require you to finish up your account setup. So you guys, that's all about wise accounts. I hope you try this. Whatever challenge that you encounter while trying to create a wise account, please do leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.